It's interesting to see how everything geographically is a bit different. If you're in India, I think the verification hub of the world, the most advanced verification technologies are actually being used by the Indian design teams. Research has shown that there's been greater verification success in India because the India design and verification teams exploit more advanced verification methodologies. This is something that's quite interesting when you might compare to, say, the European environment where there's more system design underway. The use of System C and its supporting elements are more critical in that geography. And if you're in Silicon Valley, we see Verilog and System Verilog obviously quite important. If you're working for defense companies, VHDL has had more of a following in that area. Now, when you take a look at how technology is actually used in the different segments, large product groups might be able to take new graduates in and immerse them in their way of doing things, and offers an ability to learn and to grow within such an environment. If you're looking at professional services companies, they are looking for talent that have specific knowledge and know how to apply technology today, so that you are and should have the information at hand to be immediately useful in a particular area. So a design services company will be looking for the steep skills in System Verilog or the universal verification methodology, where product groups might bring you in as a beginner, new engineer, and help grow you. So that's kind of the difference in the approach. Join us. We welcome you into this great endeavor. But I repeat what I fundamentally believe. That your education has not ended, it has just started. And so I encourage you to learn more, whether during your school years, if you can get internships or summer jobs to learn and see how work is done in commercial setting. I recommend that to you. But once you graduate and begin your career, don't stop learning. And I encourage you to continue to advance your knowledge and your skills and your education. You know, I think this is one of the areas where the electronic design automation industry can couple with IEEE Blended Learning program and students and professors. Certainly course curricula is focused on just teaching the fundamentals of design, and this is where most of the time is spent. But we need to have an impact on course curricula to improve knowledge in the verification area, and I think Blended Learning program is one of the key assets that you can take advantage of today. You might not have all those skills from the courses you take, but certainly you can begin your journey with the Blended Learning program to actually hone the information and expertise to move from student or graduate to novice, practitioner, and in time become guru.